Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a power hour with a bunch of other moms here on YouTube that are pretty new to YouTube, so I'm pretty excited to be working with all of them on this collab for you guys. I will have all of their channels linked down below so you guys can check out their power hour videos when you are done here. Here is my list of things that I need to get done. I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour and get to work in my bedroom. So I'm starting out with folding. Well, I have a bunch of laundry that was already folded, so I need to just get that put away and then fold my laundry that's in those baskets.
Love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free.
So as usual, there's Jasper laying on my bed while I'm going to make it. Doesn't even budge. If you guys have been around for a while, then you have seen this in pretty much every single one of my cleaning videos.
I am made to be free.
So we recently rearranged our bedroom, and that is why the TV has been above our bed for a few weeks. We just haven't had time to get it taken down. So I put take down the TV on my power hour list today, and Donnie is going to help me get that done. He's going to hold the TV while I undo the screws out of the wall, and there's Berkeley trying to help us.
Real love should feel when I know that it's not about you, just me. I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free.
So once we were done getting that TV down and I hung up a couple pictures, there was another load of laundry in the dryer that finished, so I'm just going to get that stuff folded.
And did you ever know somebody who slipped away and left the city? I'm just here to tell my story and let you know this shit ain't pretty. If my tale sounds just like your girl, before you know it, shame will leave ya. No trace, no note, you'll never see ya. You asking what you did and I didn't fix it. You try to find a way to get forgiveness. The search for pain is closer an addiction. So I'm just here to tell
Now that I've got all of my clothes put away and hung up, I am going to go in with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner in the new mint scent and wipe down all of my furniture and even like the top of my headboard and all that stuff that gets really dusty. And this smells really good. I've had a lot of questions about it because I posted about it on Instagram, and it definitely just smells like a mint leaf. Like if you were to pick a mint leaf off of a mint plant, that is what it smells like to me. It just smells clean and fresh. I really am liking it.
You try to find a way and get forgiveness. The search for pain is close to an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? You ask you why.
So the next thing on my list is to pick up and wipe down the bathroom. So I'm just getting dirty clothes out. I'm going to put everything on the countertops away. I'm going to spray down the toilet with the Method Bamboo Anti-Bac Cleaner first so that can soak. While I wipe down the countertops, I'm taking out the little garbage here. Donnie's going to go throw it away for me. And these bags that I use are from Grove Collaborative, and they're like recycled, and they're the perfect fit for these little trash cans. So then I'm going to take the Mrs. Meyer's toilet bowl cleaner, stick that in there, and then wipe down my countertops with the mint scent Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. And since I'm not doing like a deep clean, I didn't use any like cleaning products in the sink. I just have this scrubber that has dish soap in it that I keep under the sink, and I'm just scrubbing it out with that really quickly.
In the madness, you got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. Sleeping at night, keep losing your shit on my problems.
Okay, so I have about almost 9 minutes left, and I actually put rearrange the living room on my power hour list kind of as a joke, just because if you've been around for a while, you know I rearrange my furniture a lot, and I rearranged it like this and I didn't love it. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to add that to my power hour and try and get it done. And there goes Donnie, being a creep, waving. I thought that was so funny when I was editing. I didn't even know he did that. But anyways, I put it on my list kind of as like a haha funny, like, yeah, right, you're not going to get to that. And I ended up having time left over. So I am going to rearrange my living room. It up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, driving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter. Well, the timer just went off and Donnie pushed done, so I couldn't show you guys that it was going off. He says sorry. But I just have to finish the pillows, so I'm gonna keep doing that even though my hour is up.
We're stuck in this pattern, but I about you feels so different. Makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Alright you guys, that is it. We finished up with a little bit overtime just so I could fix up the pillows and wipe down the living room. Berkey's got some crazy hair. Where's your crazy hair? And you got chips on your face because we're eating lunch now. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this power hour. Be sure to go and check out all of the girls' power hour videos that are linked down below. They are all brand new to the YouTube world for the most part, and I'm super excited for all of them to be getting into their YouTube journey. So thank you guys again for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Say thumbs up. Tell them, thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.